Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the dryer. This prevents accidental starts and gives access. Put on gloves and a dust mask so debris won't irritate you, and pick the brush that fits the duct. Using the right size reduces damage. Attach the brush to the extension rod and feed it into the duct slowly while turning. This scrubs lint away. Once done, pull the brush out and inspect debris on the cloth so you know what to expect next. You'll proceed methodically. Work in 1 to 2 foot increments so the rod doesn't bind and you maintain control. Make sure to rotate the brush clockwise as you push. This agitates and lifts compacted lint from the duct walls, which is why rotation matters. Attach a vacuum hose at the duct entry or dryer back to capture loosened material immediately. Once the brush comes back mostly clean and you've inspected every bend with a flashlight, stop. You finish by sealing connections with foil tape and reattaching the vent to the dryer. Then restore power and run a 10-minute test cycle to verify improved airflow. This measures success. If airflow is still weak, make sure to check the outside vent flap for obstructions like nests. Clearing that often restores flow. If the rod binds during cleaning, back it out, shorten the extension, and re-enter at a shallower angle to avoid kinking. This prevents damage and keeps the kit effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.